You hear often parents say, I sent my nice, sweet daughter off to campus and she came back this raging lunatic, unfurling the pro Palestinian flag or spouting off about inequities or ruining Christmas dinner or Thanksgiving dinner. What is the role of universities in this, in shaping this current sort of movement and this sensitivity that is we see especially in young people?
And to your point, why is this happening at universities? I think part of the issue is, and I discuss this in the book too. It's a great gift, by the way, if anyone has a back to school gift for a college kid. But many of the college faculty departments, psychology included, have a ratio of about 20-1 Democrat to Republican. And again, there's nothing wrong with Democrats. There's nothing wrong with Republicans. I would like a diversity of thought. But when you have fields that have, say, a 20-1 ratio, most psych departments aren't even 20 people. So that means that you're likely, and this was the case in, I believe, every psych department where I've ever been, that there's basically a 100% Democrat liberal leaning. And so then there's an echo chamber, and there's something called groupthink, which I also unpack in the book.